Hey guys, it's Terrence, your favorite computer concierge here at Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Second location is 3473 Cherokee Street in Kansas, Georgia. I almost forgot where I was going to say. Hey, I'm reminding everybody of what's happening the day after Thanksgiving. It's Black Friday, and here at Computers Plus, we got some great deals for you to check out. We got Apples, we got Dells, HP, custom builds, anything your mind could possibly think about, except like we can't make you teleport anywhere. We're still working on that. But we got some great deals here going on at Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia, and also at Kennesaw, Georgia. And you can also visit on the web at computersplususa.com, where you can check out our rent-to-own options. And if you're visiting us from another state, we do online shipping for repairs. So if you're living in a different state and you're like, I just can't find someone to work on it, check us out, Computers Plus. Visit us on the website. We'll see you guys soon. Black Friday is happening.